Now in this lecture, we're going to be talk about the single line diagram of the residential scale solar project. Now as per the input that we have given into the HelioScope software, that when we are connecting the 8 number of an solar panel into the series combination, so this way we can just see it actually the 10 AWG copper wire we can use for interconnection purposes up to the combiner box and thereafter further into the inverter. So total number of the two strings that we have to be used. So 8 number of a panel in series combination in one string, and in the second string also we are taking it. The overall capacity of a solar panel, when we see total 16 number of a modules we required. Vari WS 250 watt peak of an panel we have selected, who is having the STC rating of 250 watt, maximum power point voltage of 35 volt, maximum power point current of 7.14 ampere, open circuit voltage of 43 volt, short circuit current of 7.75 ampere. Inverter what we have selected, it is a 4 kilowatt of an inverter, maximum power rating is 4 kilowatt, maximum input voltage is 1000 volt and minimum input voltage is 180 volt. Wire schedule, the software is calculating over here the bus of 1 by 12 AWG is required less than 1 feet, and the string connection wiring is required 2 by 10 AWG wire of the 29 feet as per the site location and the availability of the area on the particular location. So whatever the power output that we are getting from the string, this we are giving to the two circuit combiner box by the 10 AWG cable, American wire gauge copper cable of this particular sizing. In the combiner box, we are combining the power output of the individual string into the one bus, and this will going to be just give to the DC disconnect switch. The wiring connection what we are using, it is a 12 AWG copper wire will going to be used up to the DC isolator switch or the disconnect switch we can say. And from this the power we are giving to the 4 kilowatt of the Vari inverter. Here actually if the inverter is having the one NPPT connection, then this connection we can just give it combining a power and just we can give to the inverter. If the inverter allows us to connect the two NPPTs, then separate power we can also give it to this. So the string number 1 power we can give through the disconnection up to the inverter, and second string power also we can give by avoiding this two circuit combiner box. But in this case the inverter is having only one NPPT connection, and that is why we have to be combine this power into the two circuit combiner box, and further we have to give this power to the inverter. Thereafter this power we can give to the one circuit interconnect. So here the 20 ampere switch we can just use it over here, that is the MCBs we can use it over here for overcurrent protection. And further it is passing from one circuit interconnect, it has been given to the AC disconnects. So here we are giving the attaching the AC disconnect switch, and further power it has been given to the main service panel of the consumer. And from the service panel, the metering connection has been given towards the grid. So like this SLD diagram we can import ready-madely from the HelioScope software.